Hi guys, today I've made a paper airplane. Let's test it. I will also give you the steps on how to make it later. This is the airplane. And then let's see it. Great. Okay, so I will give you a scale out of 5 on the ratios. Number 1, gliding. I'd give it a solid 3 on gliding. But let's just see it one more time just in case I got it wrong. Oh, I make it a 3.5. Next, we got speed. For this one, I'll have to do hard throws. Here's Cookie and Bluey. Woo, woo, woo. Now the throw. Whoa, 4 on speed. Now the last thing. We got accuracy. Okay, I wanted to hit the painting. Okay, that was my bad. My bad. Oh, painting. Barely missed. Accuracy 2. Alright, now how to make it. Right. This plane is just gonna go sit here. Now we make. As you can see, I've put it on a stand. Let's start. So this is gonna be your paper. First, you fold it in half. One sec, let me just do it off camera. Like probably this. I am so done with life. Then you crease it. Then you unfold it so the paper is like this. Then you do this. As you can see, like this. Then you have to do a controversial step. You can either do this or not do this. So you have, or you could do a different order. I'll do a different order for you guys. Okay, so first, then you do this step. Oh no, I messed it up a bit. Let me just fix that mess up. Yeah, close enough. I don't really care. Yeah, so basically like this. Then a controversial step, you fold it backwards. Then you do something like this. Fold it like this. Then fold it like this. This. Now you take the other side and fold it the same way you did with the other side. Fold it this way. And now you do the last fold, which is this way. Fold it to the last. If you wish, you could add another fold. That is my glider, which I used to make. It is a very good glider and flies. And if you hold it by the back like this and this, it's like the red dot, the winning. It has no glide, but very good. Now we have the new airplane. There! That's how to make it. And I'm out.